For the past 2 mornings, a hen has been showing up with her chicks. She started with 4. There they are over there. Hello, little guys. She started with 4 and now she has 3. They're a little shy to come into the feeding frenzy, but if I can get some corn over to them, they'll dive right in. Franny never had any babies. She's still around. She's just still trying to control everybody, like this is my territory. It's okay, little guys. You have to learn. You have to learn to dive right in. Let me see if I can walk forward a little without creating a stampede. Hi! Hi, you going in the garden? Yeah, I know. Look at these. Some of them are teenagers. A lot of them are teenagers. They pull and they push and it's really a love-hate relationship, being in a flock of ducks. Where'd my babies go? Oh, there they are. He's eating. Come on, little baby. You gotta eat. You gotta get strong. I don't know what happened to your brother or sister, but you gotta get big so that you don't get pulled down by a snapping turtle. Oh, I have to go back and get more corn. This is better than chickens any day.